If you've ever looked up the ingredients in common toilet bowl and bathroom cleaners, it typically says and warns you that it may damage your lungs, it may be fatal if excessively inhaled, or it might cause cancer. No thanks. I'd rather make my own safe and healthy cleansers. So first of all, for the toilet, this is super easy. I take a half cup of white vinegar and I just pour it around the inside top of the rim so it coats the whole toilet bowl, and then sprinkle baking soda. I probably use no more than a quarter cup, and it just kind of sits and bubbles. I let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes, but you can let it sit for hours, and then scrub it with your toilet brush, flush, and you're done. For the rest of the bathroom, whether it's counters, tub, or shower, I love to make this creamy cleanser, and it's super easy. You typically have everything on hand. I take 1 2/3 cup of baking soda, and you just put it in any type of bowl or container to mix things up. So 1 2/3 cup baking soda, a half cup of castile soap, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and a half cup of water. Mix it all up. It turns into this really creamy, nice, almost foaming cleanser. And then I store it in little tins or containers. The more airtight, the better. This is going to make a pretty big batch, and over time it will slowly dry out and become harder. So you might want to consider making just a half batch. Then basically it's kind of like a soft scrub. You're going to just pour some, take a spoonful, put it on your sponge, and then, clean off your counters or scrub inside your shower, just like any other cleanser, scrub, etc. So easy. Hopefully you have it on hand. If you don't already have castile soap like Dr. Bronner's in your home, it's awesome for making DIY cleaning recipes. Try it out. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.